and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you. Hey, why did it take you so long? Hey, while I was dancing on my own. Hey, and now my prayers get answered in my darkest time. 'Cause now I found you. I was waiting on the day you would come back to me, hoping that I didn't burn a bridge I couldn't see. Now that you're by my side again, I'll never leave you behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights.
Well. Hello. Well, I think there's no one there. Well, that's okay. But well, hello, my name is Sasa, and today I am here because well, there is a new event in Roblox, okay, and this is an event for Roblox Studio, okay. So there are some prizes, but well, as you know, there are many places with the prizes. Hola, Milo Town, and it's Fernanda. Hola, ¿cómo estamos? Hello. Okay, well, as you know, well, there are some prizes, hay algunos premios, okay, but if you want to get the prizes, well, the easiest way is just to go to some videos that are over there with the codes, but the purpose of this video is just to learn something. El propósito de este video es aprender algo. As you know, I like to learn Roblox. I'm not a developer or something like that, okay, but I'm trying to learn. Okay, so we are going to learn, or I'm going to try to learn, or we are going to try to learn together. Okay, well, anyway, so I am ready for these things. Okay, guys, so let's start. Okay, so I was checking. I haven't made the event, so I'm not ready. Hello, Kaike Samuel. Okay, well, if you are here, okay, we are just going to check this thing. Okay, so let me just enable the screen. I guess it's over here, and that's it. Everything is ready. I hope that if you all can watch this thing. Okay, I don't have my cell phone over here, but I hope yes, I see that you can see my page. Well, we are going to use here the page from Roblox. Okay, you can go here. The link for this thing for the lessons, well, I'm going to share the lesson. Is this here? I don't know. Roblox developer. Oops, go home. What is the event? It is not here. Oh yeah, I guess it was an error with the first lesson. Anyway, so design the blast. So let's start with the beginner challenge. Okay, so download Roblox Studio, lesson 1, design the blast, and then you have the prizes and everything else. Okay, so I will be checking the chat, but remember that I don't have two screens. Okay, so I cannot check it like that. I will get my phone. Okay, also. Ahorita me puedes traer mi teléfono, please. Okay, well, as you know, well, we have here become an artist. Thank you for that. Okay, thank you, Natasha, for subscribing. Okay, we're going to make this event. Okay, so well, just let me check. Okay, I'm going to share the first link here. Okay, I'm going to share it with you. I won't be able to watch the live. Oh, don't worry, friend. Okay, I will see you next. Okay, by the way, okay, this is my new skin that I'm working. Well, I am working on 2 skins. Okay, and this is the modification that I made to Lou from Brawl Stars. Well, I was working with this all the whole morning. Anyway, I'm going to start with this. Okay, so this is just something I wanted to show you. Anyway, so let's go with the event. So as I told you, we're going to start here. We're going to start with the designing. Thank you. Okay, we're going to start designing this thing, and this is the first page. If you go to Roblox Studio, you will see that we have the Mansion of Wonder. So this is a template that Roblox made for us. So in this case, we're going to apply some of the knowledge in here. Okay, so let me just open this thing in my cell phone. Oh, I was listening to my voice. Hello, hello, hello. My voice. Give me a second, guys. My voice is. That's funny. Anyway. Well, the volume. Yes, the volume is down. Okay, I will be checking that. Okay, guys. So if you have something to say, please, you can say it. I will try to check your smooth look. Yeah, it looks really cool, right? Okay, well, we're going to open Dimension of Wonder, okay, and we're going to be following this thing. So we have the template, open the template. As I told you, well, you go here in Roblox Studio and you just click on New, and there is a new template for you. Then we are going to check some, close the extra windows, so you can close some windows that you're not going to use. And we are going to have this space, okay, so we're going to clear it, just the Explorer and the properties as usual. Okay, so remember, I'm not an expert in Roblox Studio, okay, so I'm just learning. So I'm just going to close everything, the output also. I'm not just going to keep the Explorer and the properties, and we're going to start with this thing. So let's see if we can learn something now, because with the effects I'm not very good. Okay, hello Kathy. Okay, hello. Okay, so well, then we are going to continue here and don't see test and play. Well, we can test and play this thing. Yeah. Well, here we have the play. We can join the game. Okay, let's play it, no? As they suggest. So just to see what we have, we go to this tab, the home tab, and then you just come and play. Let's see what do we have in here. Okay, so we are here. Also, I am making this video only in the stream, okay, because I didn't want to edit anything, okay, so I was quite lazy. Let me just keep the volume. I don't know if the volume is okay for the music. If not, I can. Yes? Okay, well. So here we have this guy. Want to build your own Roblox experience, and that's it. Okay, so check. We write, we song, and we play. This guy looks learn more. Okay, that's okay. So let me take the music. That's okay, I guess. Sparkle. Okay. Okay, so this is the effects that we are going to have. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yes, this is like a magic, no? Magic thing. Well, so this is the place. I don't know if we can go here and play yet. Join the game. So we are going to join the game just here. Let me check. I'm just doing what they say. Okay, okay. Check. I am using the sparkles, okay, that I selected in this thing, okay, and I guess this is just to shoot the ghost. Oh, someone is killing me. Well, anyway, and that's it. Ghosts and magic. That's the best. Okay, well, that's okay. I guess that looks pretty good. Okay, so here, this is Slime Boy. I like this idea. It's pretty nice. Well, as always, Roblox is giving us very nice ideas or things to learn. Well, anyway, so probably we have more or less the idea, right? Just let me check. How can I leave the game? Because I cannot play. Okay, yeah. Just disable the sparkles. We stop the simulation, and then we are ready to start with the things, okay? So test and play, yes, we test. We have the hearts, okay? To stop testing, press, okay. Particle emitters. So we're going to check the effects, okay? So that's the idea. Okay. The particles. Just let me take the music a little bit down because these guys are very... No, that's okay. I guess. Just let me take a little bit because if not I get distracted. Yes. That's it. Okay, well, we go here, particle emitters, find the blast. Okay, has to... Okay, so these are the things that we are going to select, okay? Explorer, Don't see the explorer. Change the color of the, okay, so we are going to find here. So in the workspace, and then we have here enemies, the spawn triggers, targets, okay, magic blast, and here we have the particles, okay. So, and as they say in the magic blast, we can change the light and the properties, okay. Color, we can change the color of this thing, okay. So probably do something here to the 3 dots, probably something like yellow or green. Well, no, green, no, the ghosts are green, so probably like blue. And then here, probably here we add another, a lighter blue, and then I just go to the last one, select this one, and probably like white. Well, I just change that, and I just close, and you just change the appearance of the particle. If you go here, I can click here, press F, and I get closer. Okay, I guess it looks pretty cool. If I modify the part, no, it doesn't work. You need to check the particles. Okay, well, that's pretty nice, no? Just to change the color, that's pretty good. So even if I want to make it like red or something, like orange, well, probably here, like something yellow, yellow, yellow. Then something here, like orange, like fire. And this one also, we're going to put it like this, like red. Okay, we have something like that, like fire. I like it. I like it. I guess it looks okay. So well, anyway, then we're going to check more. Let's see what are the other lessons for this event. Save by publishing. Well, yes, this is very important. When you are making your projects in Roblox Studio, it's always good idea to publish, okay? First, you publish as a game. It has to be private because it is not finished. For example, let's say FX game, okay? And then you just add a description, you just create. And then every time you want to save your progress, okay, you just click on Save to Roblox, and that's it. In that way, it's saving the progress. And if you have something that you want to publish in your online game, you just click on publish, and that's it. Very cool. Okay, well, let's continue with this. Okay, so well, this is challenge checkpoint. Well, we have here. Okay, copy the code below. Okay, click enter word below the open the Roblox game. Interact with Freddy and redeem the code. Well, we are going to try it. That is FX Artist. It says that. So that was all. So let's copy this one. That is at FX Artist. Enter word. Click enter word below to open a Roblox game. Okay, let's see if we can. Let me check where. It says where. Below to open a Roblox game. Open a Roblox game. I don't see this option. Okay, let me check it because I don't know if I am not checking something. Enter word here. We're going to enter here. Sorry. Okay, then we enter to the Mansion of Wonder. So basically this is the game. So let me check, if, just in case, if you want to check it. Also, I know that you check this probably with another YouTubers. Okay, so, and you enter here and then you interact, and the first code is FX Artist, okay? Just because we learn how to save, okay, and how to change the color of the particles, that's cool. It was not pretty demanding. I am using my secondary account to do this, okay? Let me check. Roblox is updating as usual. Thank you, Roblox. Okay, let me close just these tabs. Hello, this is my other account. Learn Roblox. Let's code this. Let's check. And let's go for the first prize. That is FX Artist. Anyway. Well, anyway, let me check. Let's wait for this. It's opening. Let me just click here, this one, and let's wait for the game to load. Ugh, it's taking too much. Well, anyway. So if you have any question or something, you can ask the question in the chat. Hello, Road Trailer. Hi, hi, hi. Welcome to this video. Okay. Let's wait for more. I'm waiting for this thing to load. Sorry. It's because Roblox is updating, and according to this, we need to go for the first prize. Let me check the music. I'm going to pause the music. Okay. And then Roblox, it's opening, it's updating, and it's opening. It's taking too much, but how are you? I am fine, thank you. I am fine. I am just like making this thing online. I mean on streaming. Okay, because as I was mentioning, I was a little bit lazy to do this thing, to make the video and to edit the video, and I said I guess it's better if I just keep it in this thing online, and I am doing it like that. Okay, so anyway, we are going to go as they say in that thing. We just press here, you just press F with who? With this guy looks like the one from Zootopia, no? It's very popular because everybody is over there. I cannot like touch him. Okay, redeem a code, and there is also a bug if you check. So I guess they need to fix this because in the Roblox version it was not. But well, anyway, so you just click here on redeem code, and then you just paste the code there. I guess also just go here and just here and Control V, FX Artist. Again, escape, because if not, it's not working. Then you just click here, and that's it. And we have something over there that is el poder conjuro del color. Okay, well, and then we close this experience. Okay, and that's it. Yeah, it is pretty buggy, but anyway, that's not important. We are here. Okay, how did you learn to animate? Well, I learned to animate just by practicing. If you check my videos, okay, I guess in less than 2 years or less, okay, 1 year and something, I started working more in animations, okay, because I started with BIPI, but BIPI was pretty simple, as you well know. The animations are not pretty hard, okay, and then I started to practice more, watch videos about animating, okay, animation also in 2D, because you need to understand some concepts to make some pretty good animations, okay. So I'm not an expert, but if you can check, well, I have improved. Okay, I have improved this thing. Okay, well, anyway, so but it is just practice. See, it is just practice. If you practice and practice, believe me, you will get better and better. Anyway, so let's go to the screen, and then we have a price. Okay, the price is this backpack. Okay, so and that's it. And about the animations, check the animation. This is the animation that this is the last thing I made. Okay, but anyway, so well, and then we have the backpack. Okay, with FX Artist. Okay, that it was the code, and then we return to the page. Okay, to this, because we are making the challenge. Now we are going to use textures. That is something that I like. Check everything created by the particle. Okay, it's actually a picture. Okay, in Roblox Studio. So these are pictures. Okay, and these pictures are like working in this 3D environment. Okay, so check here. So this is the picture, and check, it looks like it's something created in 3D now. It looks pretty cool. Check this one, it's awesome. Oh, check, we have some textures that we can use here. Or we can create our own textures. That is something that I would like to make, okay? So check, copy the number and then this image, and you can change this in the texture. Oh, that's pretty cool. So for example, if I want to use this one, okay, I just copy this code, and then I just go here to the texture, here in this blaster, okay, and then I go for the texture, I just paste this code, and I have this beautiful thing. Also, you can make your own texture. For example, I can check, for example, if I have new, I'm going to create here a new texture, just pretty simple in this app that is similar to Photoshop. I guess we are going to set it just small, 512 by 112. Okay, and we are going to make our very own texture. We are going to eliminate the background, and we are going to add a new layer. So, and then you just can create your texture. For example, if I want to create a texture about, what about with letters or with words, no? For example, I'm going to add here an A, just a small, because sometimes Roblox it's pretty picky with the words that are not good. So for example here, and then I'm going to duplicate this one, duplicate here, and then duplicate this one here, and then duplicate this one here, and then duplicate this one, and probably make it smaller. I'm going to modify this one, and then I'm going to make it like smaller. This one also. Oh, sorry, I need to apply this. And then probably this one, I'm going to make it like this, like this. I'm going to keep it like white because I guess it's something like that, okay? So you make them, for example, if you check the textures that we have here in Roblox, they are like gray, white, I mean, and they are white, okay? So I guess that's okay. So let me go here, white, probably this one, I'm going to rotate this one here, and that's it. No, this is going to be like my texture. I'm going to add some other like things here in this layer. Control C. I'm going to add here this one. I'm going to add just like some noise. I'm going to set the opacity here. This, and probably we have this for a particle. Let's see if this thing works now. And then I'm going to export this as a PNG. Hi, hello, Inigo Teo, ¿cómo estás? Okay, how are you? Okay, well, then we are going to go here, and then we are going to save this thing. I don't know why it's taking too much. Well, my computer is getting slow in this moment. Okay. But anyway, so let's keep it live and let's save it as a particle course that because we are learning this thing. Then we just export it as a PNG, okay, to make it transparent. That's very important. And then we are going to upload this to Roblox. Bien, ¿y tú? Bien, and you? I am fine, thank you. Okay, well, now let's see if we can use our particle. If the game is published, we can upload a new particle here. Just click here, add image, and then you just choose file. These are for Lou, the textures that I am using, but well, this is for another chapter. Okay, and then I go here to particle, it was particle course or something. Yeah, particle course. And let's see if Roblox accept this thing or approve this. Oh yes, check the A's. Okay, so we have the A's that we just make, and that's pretty cool, no? So this is the texture that we make, and you can add some things, you can add words or other things. Okay, so but I guess it looks pretty cool. Yes, that looks pretty nice. Looks insane. Okay. Well, anyway, let's continue with the course. We know that we have some particles. We can change the particles just in the texture. Okay, and then we're going to finish this blast. Find, okay, the size and type the number from 1 to 10. Okay, and then press enter. Okay, let's see what it's going to happen. If we have here, and then we have the size, for example, if I change 10, wow, this is huge. Okay, that's cool. But we can have it like 0.5. I don't know if 0.5 it's allowed. Yeah, check this thing. Okay, awesome. Okay, so let's keep it like 0.8. I like 0.8. Okay, so we can change the size of the particles in this thing. Anyway, we are going to go for more. Press play to test the project. Need to make changes. Okay, well, this is just to test our new particles. Okay, I guess this is not like, wow, the great thing, okay, because we have these particles and I am sure that they look cool, but well, let's click play. Okay, so play, and then we are going to check how these particles look, because we just created the particles. Okay, I guess that's amazing. So you can create your particles, pretty simple faces, okay, with just random things, okay, and that's it. And Roblox is going to make the rest of these things. So let me check if I can check this thing. Oh, here, E, sparkler, thank you. But I want to use this one. How can I use this one? No, I cannot use, but I can see my particles over there. Well, that was pretty nice. I'm going to change the sparkler. Well, anyway, so we have this. Okay, fine size, press play. It didn't make any changes. Why we couldn't change this thing? Well, finish the blast. Magic blast. It was not working, or maybe I needed to enter to the game, but probably yeah. ¿Crees que tienes que poner las partículas al modelo de la vara? Ok. Vamos a checar. I'm going to start to the play mode, and let's see, Vinigoteo. Thank you for the idea. Gracias por la idea. Vamos a ver, si necesitamos ponerlas, pues ya las pusimos ahí como ellos dijeron. We did it as they said. Okay, and then we go here, and then we just play, join the game, join in the right, and let's see if we can have this, or we need to change something else. Ah, yes, it's shooting outwards. Mueran con la letra A. So die with letter A. Letter A, it's evil. Okay, yes, it's a spelling monster. Oh, funky. Oi. That's a spooky. Spookish. Okay, yeah, that's pretty nice. Okay, you are ugly. Take this, and check. We have the particles, right? Check. I guess that's pretty nice. Well, we check the particles. Yes, particles are working, okay? No, Nigoteo, that's okay. Yes, as you said, yes, that's correct. I made the particles for the blaster, not for the magic wand or this thing. Anyway, let's continue with the tutorial. Change the move style. A particle can either a trail or a single blast by taking lock to part. Okay, let's check this thing. This is one, lock to part. Lock to part, enable. Ah, it's just like a fireball. That's pretty nice. I like that. So it's just like a bump thing. Okay, so here is in lock to part. So when we lock to part, and now it's just like making one fireball or something. Okay, yeah, it looks pretty cool. Now it's like a fireball. If we click play, okay, just click play and test. Okay, and we are going to check. So we created the particle. I like this thing. We can create some very crazy particles. Do you have any idea about any particle that you want to make? Okay, ¿tiene alguna idea de alguna partícula que les gustaría que creáramos ahí rápidamente en game? Any idea about creating a particle? I don't know. Okay. Ah, check. Now it's a ball. Oh, that's pretty awesome. That's pretty awesome. Okay, yeah, that's pretty awesome. But where are you, ghosts? I guess I like a little bit more this one. Okay. So this is pretty nice. This is pretty nice. Okay. Let me check if there are no ghosts here. Yeah. Well, anyway. Con una cabeza de piggy. Come on. Okay, cabeza de piggy. Okay, a piggy head. But we don't have... I mean, we can make something different. Okay. So let me erase these things because we are going to make a new particle. So we create here, we go here to, let's import an image, probably. So it needs to be something transparent, okay? So that's pretty cool. Oh, probably, Mr. Peace, okay, Sprouts, I don't know. Probably we can use some of these ones, okay? I was thinking about something fast. Let me check something fast. Let me check if I have a transparent image that we can use. Probably this. Now we can use like penguins, penguin heads. Okay, so this is going to be my particle. Well, so this is the main thing of the particle. Probably I'm going to duplicate this one, and then I'm going to move it here. I'm going to scale it here, just to make the particle different. Here. Well, in this case, the particle, it has color. Okay, so that's not cool because we remember that sometimes it's better to have white particles just to have Roblox to modify the color. Okay, but well, anyway, we are going to check that, how to fix that. Probably we can make this thing like this. Okay, so then we just, I guess with that thing, cabeza de piggy. Okay, then we are going to duplicate here the particle, rotate this particle, and that's it. Okay, and now for the color, I don't know, probably we make a new, I'm going to join everything, and then I'm going to change this to, I don't know if invert it's going to work. Probably no. Probably we are going to desaturate this thing, no colors. That's okay. I guess that looks better. And now I'm going to export this particle. Export particle course, and we are going to rename this as particle course number 2. Okay, so I'm making a noob head. Oh, that's pretty nice. So let's see what is the result of this, right? Okay, so here I'm going to Roblox Studio. Remember, I select the blast particles. I upload my new particle. I guess it's particle course 2. Okay, create, and let's see what is the result of this. Oh, check, we have penguin heads. I don't know if you can see, this is amazing. This is amazing. So, and then we can hit with this thing, with these particles, okay? And now the color is affecting because it's like a gray image, okay? So I guess that's pretty cool. Well, we can continue with the course. Okay, single blast in the particle properties, okay, lock to part, yes. Making an explosion, that's very nice. So let's see if we can create an explosion. Okay, here we have this, it's going to click. Ah, nice, nice, nice. So it looks cool. It's like here. Boom, very good. So now to start with changing the properties of the explosion, we have an explosion here that it's explosion holder. Okay, we can look for the explosion holder that it's this one, and then we can change the particles also, I guess. So in the properties window, change the color of the explosion. Think of a color that we go. Okay, so the blush is like yellow. Okay, so what about when we have these penguins exploding? Okay, so probably the color of the explosion, it's going to be something, I guess like similar, but more like, I don't know, like yellow. Yeah, to make it yellow-green thing, okay? So I guess something like this. So check. In this case, I'm just changing to one color, but if I want to add more variety to this, I just select here and the 3 dots, okay? And then I can change. So probably in the middle, it's going to have something like the original color. And then I just going to use at the end another color that it's like red also. You can add more in betweens, okay? But I guess that's okay for now. So we have this for the explosion. And then a texture for the explosion. Well, a texture for the explosion, we can use the same, okay? Or we can use the words that we make, okay? So what about if we use the words? Texture, we can use here the words that we have for the explosion. And then we are going to go find the texture, paste this thing, okay, blah, blah, blah. And then we can change this when it's exploding. Let me check if I see the explosion. Yes, I see something like that. So let's test this thing, okay, guys? And let's see if this thing is working. Okay, okay. Okay, we go here. We have set everything. I guess we need just this guy. I don't know. We don't need to ask for this sparkler, but well, this is just something fancy. Just join the game. Joining the ride. It's a ride. That's pretty cool. Okay, now let's see. Oh, yes. Check. We have the penguins, and then we have the words that are exploding. That are pretty small. I guess I need to fix that and to make them smaller. I mean, bigger. I guess looks cool, but okay. Now here, let's see if we can crash here. No, not here, not here. Okay, yeah, that's okay. Let me check. Ghost. Yeah, but I guess it's pretty small. Yeah, and this guy, the sparkler, what? It's nothing. Okay. So again, well, the particles are cool, but they are pretty small. So probably 2, it's okay for the blaster. No, for the blaster, I guess it's okay. Here 1, but for the explosion, okay, we need to change the size to 3 or 2, no, 2.5. Okay, and it's going to increase. But well, then we are going to test that. Challenge checkpoint. Well, we have here another code, and with this code, we are going to receive this thing. So you can go here to the game again, and you can copy this code. Okay. Okay, well, we enter to the game or the experience or whatever, and then you just click on this thing, okay? So yeah, sure, whatever. And then we go here. Just give me a second. Nice. Well, let's see, erase the space, and that's it. I don't know. I guess someone forgot because it's like if we were, yes, we have the badge over there, okay? And then we just remove this thing. You just go here and we just click it, and yes, we have another thing. Okay, yes, you can, I guess you can play the game if you go here and talk with this guy. Let me check if you can. Yes, you go for the right. Yes, you can play the game. And there are defend the car, blast the enemies, watch your health. So it's cool, I guess. Okay. So well, anyway. So yes, leave Roblox, and that's it. That's pretty boogie. Anyway, I guess that's okay with the event. Okay. And then we have this part. We have the spectral aura. Okay, well, we have this one and we have this one. We have two prices over here. Okay, and we learn how to make some particles and how to personalize the particles. It looks like wings. I like them. Looks cool. Well, anyway, so let's continue with this. I didn't show you this one. Okay, but the particles are this one. I mean, these are like particles, right? Anyway, this is the price. Okay, well, let's return to the game. Okay, just let's go faster with this thing. Okay, well, we have the price. So make the final touches. Okay, so well, so you need to personalize more things. Okay, so here size and speed. Also the size and speed of the particles, it's able to be modified. Okay, well, so 110 size, yes. We modify the size. Okay, can burst or creepy slow. Okay, so this is the way they disappear or not. So we have, this is the speed that it's modifying this property. Okay, so probably we are going to check this here in the explosion. Let me check it, where is this part, speed. So I guess this one, let's keep it like not very fast, probably like something like 40. Okay, and for the blast particles, I guess they need to be faster. So probably 1.5, it's okay. No, I guess like 4. Okay, fast particles. Okay, well, we have that. Okay, and then we just can test. Okay, so let's see if the particles look cool. Okay, so let's go there. Okay, so let's go for that. Okay, sorry, and I'm going to go here, 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 here. We just play the game and let's check if the particles are fast enough. Yeah, we are joining the right. Okay, now let's click. Okay, over there. I guess the explosion, it's okay. I'm not sure about the penguins. Check the penguin here. No, I guess that's okay. I like them. I'm probably here. Oh, come on. The explosion looks cool. With letter A's. Probably it's too fast, this explosion. Here. No, that's okay. Defeated. I was defeated. Okay. So here we don't have the error. The error is only in the game. Anyway. So, well, I guess that's okay. Experiment. Make particles glow and can be arranged from 0. Glowing particles. Okay, esto es para que this effect. This is an effect for the particles. Rotation speed. Oh, that's pretty nice. Oh. Okay, that's pretty awesome. Okay, for example, in this case, we have this one. And then we go here, and then we just check the rotation speed. Okay, also we can need the minimum. Let's set it to 0.3 and fast 0.7. I guess the maximum value is 1. Okay, so also for the explosion, okay, we can change the rotation. Minimum 0, yeah, that's okay. No, here we have more. So probably, it's like 360 degrees, okay. Yeah, I guess that's okay. So in this case, we are going to modify for these ones, something like that. Okay, I want them to spin really fast, really crazy. Check, they are spinning almost like a circle. So 360, it's okay. So just to spin, okay. Okay, the speed, it's okay. So in this case, we modify the speed with this. Lifetime, how long the, okay, so this is just for the duration of these particles. Oh, I like that. Okay, the lifetime. So let's set it to 1.2. And here is the blast here. Okay. And in this case, with this one, we cannot see this thing, because I guess we need to change this thing. Lifetime, enable. Okay, this is explosion. Okay, lifetime 0.2. Okay, 0.3. Okay, the speed, it's quite crazy. Let's set the speed to 20. Now to 10. Yeah, I guess that's, I like more. 0.5. And the life of the particles, I guess that's okay. They look okay. Okay, invite friends. Next is just invite friends. So we need to invite friends. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Then we go to challenge, particle wizard, and then we are going to receive the books. Okay, and also we return to the game, and then we just create this thing, we just play. Let me check it. Let me just enable this. And then we have the game. So just give me a second. Then we just enter to the game. Okay. Yeah, sure. We just wait a little bit. And then in this case, the particle, let me just disable the preview. Okay, is particle wizard is the code. I guess that's the third code. This guy looks awesome. No creo. Yo creo que todavía no lo hacen. Ya arreglaron. They fixed the... Yeah, they fixed this thing. Particle wizard, success, and then we have this thing. We just have the particle wizard. Yes, they fixed the error. Okay, so now we have in particle wizard, thanks to the particle wizard code, we have a new price. Perdón si no comento, es que estoy dibujando las partículas. That's cool, man, that's cool. Eso está muy bien, Inigo Teo. Okay, make your particles, don't worry. Espero no estar tan solo. Bueno, tú estás ahí por lo menos de fondo. Okay. Okay. And then these books are cool. The books are cool. Okay, and for free. Anyway. So, well, then let's see. What are the next steps? Okay, well, congratulations on taking the first steps. Okay, supercharge your experience to customize. Well, new lessons and an avatar price and more. So this is just close. Están cerradas ahorita todas las siguientes. Keep learning. Okay, and then we have more tutorials about these things. And I guess that's all for this event. In this part, this is the part 1. So we are going to have more prizes. Okay, but in the second part of this tutorial of this event, okay, so they said that it's closed for the moment, and then we are going to have more. Okay, yes, that's pretty cool. Okay, well, I guess that's all. Okay, with this thing. Okay, so and I really like this idea. Okay, it was not pretty hard. This thing about making the yes, we were making the particles, y le hicimos aquí. Okay, pero, okay, and it's just the beginner challenge, okay, yeah. 3 prizes, so we have the 3 prizes for the beginner challenge. I guess there is more to come in Roblox, okay, and I really like it. Okay, well, I guess just for the final thing, we can make another thing for the explosion. Okay, so we can create another particle and we are going to finish this video. Okay, so let's make a new particle. Remember, you make a square thing and then you just paint in this thing. With white, it's okay. So probably we are going to paint something like this. Check. I don't know. So you need to experiment, okay? So for example, let's see that my main particle, it's like a circle. So I'm going to select here. I'm going to put it here. I'm going to fill. And I'm going to this, and then I'm going to select nothing, and then I'm going to add here, select nothing, with my brush. I'm going to make like sparks or I don't know, lightnings, and then I'm going to make it thinner, like this, like this. I would like to add some particles to my game, to my roleplay game. So probably I'm going to learn to make that thing. Or also to the fighting game that I have. Okay, probably here, this, and then 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 this. Smaller, 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 like this, 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 like this. Just crazy stuff. Roblox is going to handle everything else. And then let's see if this is like working as we expect. So probably we need to change the size of the particles. And that's it, that's it. And we have the particle. I like how you draw. Thank you. Gracias, Inigo Teo. Gracias. Okay, so let's have it like this. And now we're going to go here. And probably I'm going to draw something in gray, just to give some variety to the particle. Oh, not so big. So here probably like this, probably like this, probably like this, probably like this, just to change some of the color over there, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. And then I'm going to make a big brush here with this, like this, no, like this, like this, just like this, okay? And now we're going to export this as particle 3. And then we are going to drink some water. I'm going to go for 3. Then I'm going to export. And then I'm going to go to Roblox Studio. And then I'm going to select here my explosion. Then I'm going to upload this to the texture. I'm going to add an image, choose. Then I look for particle 3. Open, create. And that's it. Okay, and then I'm just going to enable this thing. Oh, check. It looks like an energy ball. I'm not sure about the gray thing, okay? So probably I did wrong with this thing. So I'm going to change my particle here. And I'm going to set it to white, okay? So just to do that, it's pretty simple. Just I'm going to change the levels. No, white, no. White. I just want everything white. And then I'm going to export, rename. I'm going to upload it again. Okay, so just go here, add image texture, here, particle 3, and then just open. It's going to make a new particle, and then I just enable this thing. And that's it. It looks better, I guess. It's like an energy ball. Yes, that looks cool. And then we have the particles. Yes, it looks, se ve bien, ¿no? Pero ahora lanza un color más de partícula, and we need a color. No, no, in my game. So you publish your game. Si tú publicas tu juego, sí. So in this case, we are going to change this to something like lightning. So probably like this. And then it's going to be white in the middle. Here, oh, sorry. Here it's going to be white. This one it's going to be, yes, okay, and here another blue. Blue. Yes, more like energy. Here in this one, probably a color, just like make it like light blue. And then we close and we have this thing. Yes, it looks better, se ve mejor. Igual, let's change this for the blaster also to a blue palette. Oh, Yankel, thank you, Yankel. Muchas gracias, Yankel. Thank you very much. It was not necessary, but thank you very much. Ay, Clau, palera. Eso fue Clau que seguro estuve. But anyway, okay, says we are finishing. Thank you, Yankel. Muchas gracias. Okay, and then we go here. What's that? ¿Qué fue eso? Ah, ok. Muchas gracias. Qué buena onda, Yankel. Gracias, Yankel. Well, anyway, we go here. Okay. Hola, Bianca, ¿cómo estamos? Okay, hello. Is that your band to Game Pardo? Hello. Okay. Oh, es Pepinillo. Hello, Pepinillo. Gracias, gracias. Chicos, ya, pues, bueno, ahí está. The particle of the penguin. And then we just close this. And we are just going to test this before we finish. Vamos a terminarlo así antes de probarlo nada más para terminar. Gracias, Mini Dino. Sí, creo que hace algo. No, thank you very much. Gracias. Okay, y well, we go here and we just taste the penguin particles. We join the game. Thank you. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you, Bianca. Sí, creo. Okay, and then we check the particles. Oh, we have the particles, but where is the ghost? No, I can't see the ghost. No ghosts, no fantasmas. Qué basura. ¿Cómo puedo probar mi arma si no? Acá, ¿eh? ¿A quién? No, ya están. Pero yo supongo que es un error de... O están invisibles. Ahí viene, mira. Muere. Oh. Ahí está, mira, ya están. Ahí están. No puedes acercar la cámara en este. Estoy checando si la explosión se ve bien. Ah, ya, mira. No, está muy chiquita la explosión. Ugh. Garbage. Bueno. Yankel, no hace falta. En serio, muchas gracias, Yankel. Muchas gracias. Eres el primer donador del canal. Muchas gracias, Yankel. En serio, no hace falta, pero muchísimas gracias. Que Dios te lo devuelva triplicado o más. ¿Qué tiene? ¡Ay, qué mala onda! A ver, sí, bueno, yo te lo devuelvo después, ya. Ok, a ver, déjame ver, entonces. Yes, the particle is quite small. Vamos a poner unas partículas más grandes, unas partículas de 8, más locochonas. Y ya con eso, this is all. Ok, gracias, Yankel, en serio. Ese Yankel es un super capo, sí, en serio. La verdad, sí. Muchas gracias, Yankel. Yankel ya pagó los tacos, sí, ya pagó los tacos. Muchísimas gracias, Yankel. Gracias. Gracias a ustedes, chicos, por estar ahí. Muchas gracias. Ok. Dice, después voy con Clau y la Sami. Gracias, Yankel, en serio, qué buena onda. Ok, and then we go here, and then that's it. Ah, yes. Aunque están ahora muy rápidas. Ugh. Well, anyway. Oh. Sí, parece electricidad. Hacen pelos. Pelos de lote. Vamos, vamos, mueran sabandijas. ¿Por qué se meten ahí abajo? Okay, well, this is the game, guys. Okay, that's pretty nice. Y bueno, yo creo que eso ya sería todo por este video, chicos. Ya vimos cómo crear estas partículas. De hecho, se podría hacer más grande. Se puede hacer más grande. Ya está, derrotado. Y otra vez esta basura. Ok. Camino bien guapo aquí. ¿Por qué camino tan guapetón aquí? Tan, 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 tan. Anyway. Bueno, chicos, eso sería todo por este video. Gracias por haber estado aquí. Gracias a Yankel, a Bianca, Pepinillo, Minidino, a todos los que se unieron al final. Muchas gracias por su apoyo, chicos. Digo, y bueno, ojalá que le haya servido a alguien. También a Nicoteo que estuvo por ahí haciendo sus cosas, ¿ok? También gracias por el apoyo, ¿ok? Gracias a todos los que han estado por aquí. Y bueno, ya esto sería todo por hoy, ¿ok? Mi nombre es Asa. Gracias por todo. Gracias por todo. Sí creo Gamer Pardo. Uy, tengo un miembro en el canal, por fin, Gamer Pardo. Wow. Gracias, gracias amigo. Muchas gracias. Gracias, muchas gracias, en serio, muchas gracias. Ok. Pues tengo emotes, tengo emotes todos hechizos, porque es curioso que yo hago los emotes luego del equipo y no tengo yo nada. Pero muchas gracias por eso, en serio. Se les agradece muchísimo, chicos, su apoyo. Todo. Dios te lo pague, Bardo. Sí, te lo pague. Te lo doy como unas 4 veces a ti. Ok. Publish to Roblox. Ok. Y guardas los cambios. Te ponemos por. Muchas gracias. Después me hago mi miembro de nivel 3. No hace falta, chicos. Sí, Yankee es mi primer donador. Y Pandito es el primer miembro. El miembro. Oh, suena muy acá, pero bueno, Ok, y bueno chicos, pues les agradezco por su apoyo chicos, ya saben que se les quiere mucho de parte de todos los de nosotros. Ah, miren, aquí está. Y pues bueno, pues vamos a terminar chicos, y para terminar, no, gracias, muchísimas gracias. Ojalá Dios me lo pague con unas viejas. Te aseguro que si eso es lo que quieres, eso te va a dar. Ok, eso te va a dar. Si eso es lo que quieres, eso te va a dar y te va a dar unas bien, bien suculentas. Llenas de buenos sentimientos. Llenas de buenos sentimientos, chicos. Y bueno, para terminar, pues nos vamos a terminar dentro de un juego. No sé qué juego pueda terminar. ¿Qué juego? ¿Qué juego? Yo no juego nada de Roblox, qué raro. Te daré 3 viejas bien buenas. Eso. 3 viejitas bien buenas. Ok, bueno, chicos, pues vamos a terminarlo. Y lo terminamos en este juego que es. Vamos a terminar en Cat. Ahí terminamos, chicos, ya para que se vaya este directo. Gracias por haber estado, por haber tratado.
¿Qué no fuiste a Sundown? Todos están pidiendo
Sundown, no sé jugar Sundown, y Sundown se me traba en esta computadora. Free Fire, Free Fire. Vamos a Roblox. Ah, no, ¿cómo se llama? A Brawl Stars. Skip. Oh, aquí estoy yo. Este es mi nuevo avatar lleno de premios, chicos, del evento.
¿Pero por qué estás con esa cuenta?
Ah, es que no estaba con mi otra cuenta. Es que como estaba haciendo el evento, quería que él tuviera premios. Pero bueno, chicos, eso ha sido todo por hoy. ¿Y cómo se juega esto?
Nada más acuchilla a la gente. Lánzalo con la E, creo.
¿Eh?
O no sé.
No, la es para cuchillo. No, se deja apretado, ándale. ¿No? Se deja apretado. Neko. ¡Ah!
Ya
Uy, me navajeó. Bueno, gracias Diego por navajearme. Ok. Bueno, chicos, nos vemos en el siguiente video. Mi nombre es Sasa, el chico que intentó hacer el evento de Roblox. No. Bueno, nos vemos. Esto es pura muerte. Esto es pura violencia. Ok, chicos, nos vemos en el siguiente video. Ok, tutorial o lo que sea. Ok, después ya voy a sacar la skin de Lu de Brawl Stars, que ya trabajé en la skin y en el otro, en las 2 skins de Lu, 2 versiones. Si no lo han visto, por favor, véanla. Ok, el chico códigos, no, ay, que sí creo. Muchas gracias, Game Pardo, a todos otra vez, gracias, Jankel, gracias por todo, por su apoyo, gracias, Pepinillo, por estar ahí, Bianca, a todos los que han estado por ahí. Thank you very much, I will see you next time, bye bye. Así dijo mi papá y nunca volvió. Ok. Ah, hace mucho que no juego este, yo lo jugaba. Bueno, ahí se ve que soy muy chafa. Anyway, nos vemos, chicos. ¿Ay? ¿Quién me mató? Esa bruja. Ok, bye bye. Hasta luego. Haz una bombas 2. Ahora que aprenda bien, estoy investigando bien. Pronto. Ya lo veré, chicos. Nos vemos. Cuídense.